The 2020 bridal season had a variety of different hairstyle looks. Today I'm inspired by the Oscar de la Renta lookbook, and although this isn't a perfect replica, it still gives you an idea of how you could be wearing your hair during the bridal season. This bridal look that I'm showing on Oksana today, her hair is a little shorter than the model's, but you're still gonna get the same look and feel. So to begin, I'm gonna section off the front hairline. Along the face, we're gonna put a very delicate wave. So what I want to do is section away the front, and I wanna curl that first. I'm gonna then subsection the top from the side. And this is just gonna make it easier to curl the hair because you're not gonna be overwhelmed with too much of it. Then I'm gonna take diagonals. And then using a little bit of a thermal dry conditioner. So this is a softening product. It's also gonna give lots of shine to the hair. And then I'm gonna be curling all of this hair on a diagonal, making sure that my ends get curled as well. And then placing all of my sections on top of the same piece. From here, I'm gonna have all of the hair sit together. Then we're gonna take all of the hair, comb everything together so that when it's cooling, it's going to form and shape together. For the top, I'm gonna do the same, but this time when I'm curling, I'm gonna make sure that it sits right on the hairline. And then making sure to curl right at the hairline. And then all of my other sections will be pulled forward and curled in the same way. So you'll notice there's a bit of a gap here, and that's because I'm directing it forward so that this curl will sit on top of this curl. And just like the first section, I'm going to comb all of the hair together. Now onto the second side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. And because there's less hair on this side, I only have to do this in 2 sections. Now that the front is set, it's going to cool. I'm gonna move on to the back. And for the back, I'm gonna be using a combination of a flat iron and a curling iron. In the front, I was using product section by section. However, through the back, I'm just going to apply all over before I get started. And I'll begin first just by sectioning at center back, and then taking diagonals from the ear to the back hairline. Because Oksana's hair is quite short, this is where it's gonna be easier for me to curl the hair using a flat iron versus a curling iron. So I'll begin at the ear, and I'm just going to smooth out any kinks, and then make sure to really bevel the bottom. Because what I wanna do here is make sure that the side will connect into the back. And then just working up the head in a similar manner. And as the hair gets longer, I'll switch my tool to a curling iron. But for now, I'm perfectly fine to just be using a flat iron. And this piece I'm going to curl. And when I'm curling it, I'm gonna just curl the ends. So I'm gonna over direct everything over. So you can see that I've got the iron basically on top of my curl so that I don't curl too far up the hair strand. And then with this piece, I'm gonna use my flat iron, but I'm gonna pull it over to where I was curling, and then just make sure to really bevel the bottom. Now that the sides have cooled, I'm just gonna unclip them and then comb everything into place. Oksana's hair has cooled, so I'm just going to carefully remove the clips. And if there's anything to adjust, you can just sort of mold it in with your hands, but I think everything looks quite nice.